How to tag someone on Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can tag your friends or anyone on your Instagram story. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So let's say that you have fun time with your friends and now you want to post a story about it by tagging your friends in it. In that case, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is open up your Instagram, tap on your story, click a story or upload one from your gallery. And when you're on this section, just tap anywhere. Then you'll get this text section where you'll find this mention option. Tap on the mention option and you can start tagging your friends from here. You can also do it again and again like this. After that, you can place it wherever you like. You can increase or decrease the size of the text as well, or you can simply hide it like this. After you've done that, you can then add it to your story and they will be added or tagged on the story. So as you can see, it's now getting uploaded. And there's also a way you can add or tag someone after you've uploaded the story. So let's let this completely get uploaded. And there we go, it's been posted. Now to mention someone after you've uploaded a story, all you have to do is open up that very story and on the bottom you'll find the mention option. If you tap on it, you can then simply add someone from here by simply tapping on them and tapping on add. And there you can see you have added 3 of your friends on your Instagram story. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.